out there. You seeing this?
Seeing. Still working on believing. Where's Banner? Is he shown up yet?
Banner?
Just keep me posted. Jarvis, find me a soft spot.
We've got civilians trapped.
Loki.
They're fishing a barrel down there.
We got this. It's good. Go.
You think you can hold him off?
Captain, it'd be my genuine pleasure.
Just like Budapest all over again.
You and I remember Budapest very differently.
It's gonna be an hour before they can scramble the National Guard.
National Guard!
Does he let me know what's happening here?
Do we?
You need men in these buildings. There are people inside and they're gonna be running right into the line of fire. You take them to the basement or through the subway. You keep them off the streets. I need a perimeter as far back as 39th.
Why the hell should I take orders from you? I need men in those buildings. Lead the people down and away from the streets. You got it. We're gonna set up a perimeter all the way down to 39th Street.
Well, we got his attention. What the hell was step 2?
What's the story upstairs?
The power surrounding the cube is impenetrable.
Thor's right. We gotta deal with these guys.
How do we do this?
As a team.
I have unfinished business with Loki.
Yeah? We'll get in line.
Save it.
Loki's gonna keep this fight focused on us, and that's what we need. Without him, these things could run wild. We got Stark up top. He's gonna need us to